Hey everybody, just thought I would drop in and let you all know that I am still alive over here. I think. Sorry I haven't put out any tutorials lately. I've been incredibly busy and just had some different challenges that I had to take care of. Still kind of in the midst of that, but in what little time I have had, I have been working on redesigning my website for the purpose of getting some of the project source out there that I promised you a long time ago. All those projects by Realeases and myself. I don't have all of the project source up yet, but you can go out to my website. I will take you there in a moment. I'll show you how to get to those. That is about it. Yeah, I can't think of anything else. Let's go ahead and go check that out. Alright, so what you're seeing here is Aardaerimus.com. Right there. On the front page here, I have added a few different resources, including, some free tools that I think are fun or cool or useful or just awesome. So, just goodies that anybody can grab and have fun with. I don't support any of them, and I never will, but you're welcome to go check those out. Also, I've linked some of the Moosader stuff, their website, and the Aardaerimus stuff. This is a really cool resource for, well, I guess they provide, free game music and art and things like that. Really, really cool what they are doing for indie gamers out there. I think that's pretty awesome stuff, so I had to add a link to that. Forum is non-existent pretty much. I mean, it's there, but it's like pre-alpha still. Completely building it myself just because I'm that way. I like to understand how things work, so I figured rather than going out and downloading some free bulletin board package, I would just, create my own forum. I actually coded this a long time ago, but never completed it, so it has a lot of work to be done still. It is sort of functional though. I can make posts and stuff like that. See some broken images. Like I said, it's majorly new, but what's the word I'm looking for? Pre-alpha is the best I could think of. Don't have an awesome logo yet. Don't have much of anything awesome yet. It's still very much under construction. This is the part that I wanted to show you here, the Source Code Sharing Center. This section here is where you're going to find downloadable source code projects from some of the old videos that I showed you on YouTube. So the Code Lab is experimental source project source place. Realeases1 has made some awesome contributions, and I highly recommend checking out some of his source on these. Here he actually got the A-star pathfinding algorithm going in his XNA project. I can't remember if this was done in the old XNA style that we were learning a long time ago, or if it was done in the new one, but you can still get ideas from that. Each project here has a project status and download link, so you can grab those if you want. Also his XNA particles test. That's something that a lot of people were begging for, so figured I'd throw that out there. Also my random map generation experiment that I recently featured on YouTube has the experimental random map generation, experimental map zoom, main menu, character movement, map data, saving and loading, experimental random starting village, and terrain collision. Just, have fun playing with these. As I've said, these are experiments, and no, I will not support them. So, you're free to play with the source code, improve it. It's pretty messy, I think, for the most part. So, just do what you want with it and have fun. But please don't leave me 1,000 questions requesting information on how to make it work or why on earth I was doing what. Also, the text processor, I think this is pretty much included. Well, I don't think I put it in the random map generator. In this class, this was just an experimental post here when I was testing my database connectivity. All this is database driven, so I was just inserting records. This is a functional class, but it's kind of incomplete and sloppy, and of course I didn't show how I actually used it in the project. Eventually I hope to be uploading my Tiny World experiment, which is just it's one of the projects that I featured a long time ago. So what else? Let's see. Adventures in X and A source code. I haven't really put this page together very well yet. You can view the series directly from here. You can go back to YouTube and watch those. I imagine if you're here grabbing source for that, then you've probably already seen the links in the videos or seen the videos. So what else? The old GDI project source. A lot of you are not really dabbling in the X and A yet and aren't really interested in it. I do have a couple of GDI projects out here that I was monkeying with a long time ago. The drag and drop were just a simple form. Basically, I was creating form objects, or rather than just drawing graphics to the form, I was making it so you could interact with those objects with mouse events and things like that. Just some fun things to play with. This was another Critter Clicks. I essentially was just managing object arrays and generating these little guys that fall to the bottom of the screen, and at the end of their lifespan they disappear, and mouse clicks would generate more up to a limit. So just things to play around with, experiments. Anyway, I hope you guys find this stuff helpful and enjoy it. So hopefully one of these days soon I'll be able to get back into the tutorial rhythm and get some more stuff out for you. I know there's been a lot of requests for various things, game programming stuff. So anyway, I wish you all well. Take care for now. Bye-bye.